Hey guys, we are going to tell you about Afar Banorte, a financial company. People in Mexico are fortunate as different financial companies can help secure their future. One such private financial company that can help invest and manage fund after retirement is Afar. This Mexican company is serving people in this field for the last 23 years and is working under the National Commission of the Retirement Saving System rules. This entity has highly experienced employees who are working to make your future better. The smart and secure investment by Afar will help people to enjoy their retirement to the fullest. It is tough to trust such a private entity for investment, but Afar Banorte is different. The proper study of the financial market has helped customers to get various plans they can opt for based on their income. In all, Afar Banorte is working to secure the future of their customers. Now we are going to advise you that why must people plan their future with Afar Banorte. Afar Banorte is one such financial company that is helping people to have a better future. The main aim is to grow assets so that customers can have a better future. The plan and solution introduced by Afar Banorte are safe and can get good returns. They have some innovative methods that can help even the ones with voluntary savings to plan their future. Afar Banorte is investing in a company that is doing well in the market. Not only that, but they monitor and also evaluate the performance, which will ensure the customer's investment is safe. They have a wide range of investment options which helps to get a good annualized return to the company and customers. This is the one of reason that Afar Banorte has the lowest commission while offering the best service.